Hello and welcome to another unboxing. And in today's video, we got a couple diecasts. Now, I got this from a trade. I traded with my friend and got some new castings. The first one is this Purple Passion from 1995. Yeah, very old casting. It's pretty interesting. There's not even a Hot Wheels logo on it. Just Malaysia in 1989. There. And the next car does have a sticker on it, but yeah, it's this car. I forgot what it is. There. And the next car, Nissan Skyline HD 2000 GTR. Yeah, got a white one and now I got a golden one. And the next car is a Hot Wheels Rev Speeder. It's a pretty cool fantasy, and my friend had two of them, so I helped him get rid of one. And this one, which I've been eyeing out for a while, 32 Ford. Now I have 4 of these. And 3 of them I got from him, actually. And the next car, which is actually 1:43 scale, Volkswagen Golf. This is a custom, apparently made by him. Yeah. It's got the rubber tires and opening doors. It's a pretty cool car. And the last one, a Renault Kangoo. Let's open it. And here it is. Now, I saw this. One of my favorite YouTubers I watch, DankPots, actually has one of these. So I wanted one too. So yeah, I got this one, which is the same looking as his, but it's not the same model. So yeah, these are all the castings. There is one additional casting which was supposed to show off, but I guess you forgot about it. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.